Hey everyone, Daryl here, 63 and counting. Father's Day is almost here, and if you're looking for a gift that won't empty your wallet, I found 10 gift ideas at Home Depot that are all under 25 bucks. Some are practical, some are fun, and a couple I just buy for myself. Let's start with number 10 and work our way to my favorite pick. First off, we have the Ryobi Flexible Shaft Bit Holder. If you've ever had to try to get a bit on something that's just slightly out of your reach, this flexible shaft bit holder is really what you need. I've used it many times, and for under 10 bucks, this is affordable enough to be a stocking stuffer, a gift bag item, or just a Father's Day gift. He'd love to have it. Number 9 pick is the WEN track saw clamps. Can't have too many clamps. Now these aren't for everybody, but if your dad enjoys woodworking or building projects around the house, they could be a very useful addition to his shop. Good clamps are one of those things you can never seem to have enough of. These provide a quick, secure clamping and keep your work piece from moving around while you're making cuts or nailing. Coming in at number 8 is the Husky 12-foot ratchet straps. If your dad owns a truck, trailer, utility trailer, ATV, mower, or helps move furniture, these will absolutely be used. Ratchet straps may not be flashy, but they're one of those things that you always glad you have when you need them. And let's be honest, most of us could probably use another set. Number 7 is another set of those, but this one is actually 16 foot because there are cases if you have a 12-foot trailer where you're going to need a longer strap. And these are also 1,000 pounds, so they're much better straps. These offer a little more reach and capacity than the previous set. They're perfect for larger loads, longer trailers, lawn equipment, or anything that requires a little extra security. Again, not the most exciting gift, but definitely one of the most practical, and just about anybody I know would love to have a set. Coming in at number 6 is the Ryobi Hobby Hand Tool Kit. I actually like this one because it's something a lot of people don't already own. It's perfect for small repairs, eyeglasses, electronics, hobbies, model building, battery compartments, and other precision work. Instead of digging through a giant toolbox looking for tiny screwdrivers, everything is right here in one convenient little kit. Very nice. Number 5 is Husky's Variety Screwdriver Set, coming in at $21.97. Great price. This is halfway through the list, and it's one of those classic gifts that almost every homeowner can use. Whether you're tightening cabinet hardware, working on appliances, doing automotive work, or tackling do-it-yourself projects, a good screwdriver set is always useful, and you can't have too many. Let me tell you, somebody at 63 and I know. I especially like this includes multiple sizes and styles. So far, we're looking pretty useful gifts, but now we're getting into the items that really stood out to me during the trip to Home Depot. Number 4 item is Ryobi's 12-piece screwdriver set, coming in at $23.35. And this one thing caught my eye immediately was the handle design. The cushion grips look more comfortable and should provide control during use. These also have a more premium appearance than you'd expect at this price point. If Dad likes quality and tools, it's definitely worth a look for him. Number 3 is the WEN Rotary Tool Kit. This may be the most versatile item on today's list. You can sand, grind, polish, cut, engrave, clean, sharpen, and tackle dozens of other small projects. The kit includes over 100 accessories and even comes with a carrying case. For around $20, a lot of capability packed into one package. Number 2 is Ryobi's 4-volt cordless screwdriver. I actually own one of these, but as I said before, I don't mind having multiples of the same thing because I use them in different places in the house. And my runner-up buy is this item. If you've ever assembled furniture, installed hardware, or worked on projects around the house, you know how handy one of these can be. It's lighter, it's easier to control than a drill, and perfect for small household tasks. This is one of those tools that often gets used more than you expect. And my number 1 pick is another mini toolbox, and I've showed these in other videos. They're just wonderful for a variety of things. You can keep various things in its own little box. Very handy, and they're really cool looking. No, it's not the most powerful tool on the list. It's not the most expensive, but as a Father's Day gift, I think it has the biggest wow factor. It looks great, it's useful, and people immediately start thinking of ways they can use it. It's a desk organizer, hobby storage, small tool storage, fishing tackle, hardware. The possibilities are endless. For under $18, I think this is one of the coolest gift ideas in the store. So there you have it, 10 data-proof gifts under $25 from Home Depot. If I had to just pick one, I'd probably grab the Husky mini toolbox, but that Ryobi cordless screwdriver would be a very close second. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which item would you choose, and did I miss any great Father's Day gifts ideas at Home Depot? I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe so I can continue bringing this type of content to you. Check out my do-it-yourself videos. And until the next one, y'all take care.